is Ria Valentine and you're watching an Innovative Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a slime with Surf Excel. So let's get started. Even though I had put many slimes, you keep on asking to make more slime, more slime, more slime. So I will make it for you. So let's get started. So to make this slime, we need some Surf Excel, glue and some baking soda. That's it. Let's get started. First, take a small bowl and put some Surf Excel liquid. This gives an amazing smell. Don't take more Surf Excel liquid. Clear paint. So to this, let's add the baking soda. Let's add only 2 pinch. Now mix it well. It's in blue color. Now let's add some water. 1 spoon da potte. This acts like an activator. Now let's keep it aside. Now take a bowl and add some Fevicol. I'm taking this amount of glue. Since the Surf Excel is in blue color, I'm going to add blue color paint. If you have paint in tube, I'm using tube. I have tube, so I will put. Now mix it. In this stage, let's add some water. I think this much is okay. Now to this, let's add the homemade activator. I don't know whether it is coming or not. I think I will add some more. This time, I'm not going to add lens solution, but wow! Without lens solution, it adds scum. I think I will. It'll be sticky, I think. Since we had Surf Excel, it will come bubbles. I think now I can mix it with my hand. I always make slime and give it to my friend. I will make slime to my friends, but this slime, my favorite blue color, I will have it. Because my favorite color is blue. Which is your favorite color? Comment below and let me know what's your favorite color. I think I can make a bubble with this, but it will come small, I think. Take the camera away.